Hi everyone, I'm Laurent Monge, President of Metrologic Group. So 2023 has been a very solid year in terms of business, but even more importantly, the team has been delivering tremendous achievements, and let me give you a few of them. First of all, profound changes in how we do sales, including working even closer with our partners. Just look at the amount of joint events we did in 2023, that's amazing. Then we have been launching a new long-term software development platform, which will over time, because it will take time, bring our technology to the next level. Finally, and linked to product and technologies, we have been, of course, continuing all the time to improve our current X4 platform. Just look at the V20 we just released. And last but not least, this year has been also the opportunity for us to deliver the first combined products to one customer together with one of our sister company of Sandvik, DW Fritz Zero Touch. So I would like to say a big thank you to our people, our customers, our partners, and of course, our Sandvik colleagues. Now let's talk about 2024. And let me tell you that I cannot wait for 2024 to start because we have so many exciting things in our plan. Product release, of course, but also including the first functionalities arising from our long-term software development activities. Also, we'll continue the joint development activities together with our Sandvik sister company, such as dimensional control system. This in order to help our customers to further improve their manufacturing sustainability and efficiency. Finally, also, 2024 will be the opportunity for us to continue our geographical expansion, especially in Asia Pacific. So I look forward to sharing with you during the year all these highlights. But in the meantime, let me and the entire Metrologic Group team wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.